Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious camarones a la diabla. These are so delicious. They're a bit on the spicy side, but they are so worth it. So if you guys want to see how I make them, keep watching. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 pound of shrimp. I'm going to start off by peeling and deveining them. We're going to prepare our salsa. I set my pan on low-medium heat, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to saute 3 garlic cloves, half of a small white onion. We're going to saute them for about 30 seconds. To that, we're also going to add 6 chiles de arbol. I'm also adding 6 chile guajillo that I've already cut in half, and 1 chile ancho. We're going to move them around until they get soft. After about a minute, I'm gonna add 2 pieces of allspice. It's been about 2 minutes, and now I'm gonna add 3 roma tomatoes that I've already cut in half. Just keep moving everything around, and after about 2 minutes, I'm gonna add 2 cups of water, cover it up, and cook it for 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, let it cool, and transfer everything to the blender. Now we add everything to the blender. I'm also gonna add 3 chile chipotles in adobo sauce and salt to taste. And now we blend. I set my pan on low-medium heat and added a little bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, we're gonna strain and fry our salsa. Once the sauce is all in, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Mix it well, and this is a perfect time to check to see if you need more salt or chicken bouillon. This is just perfect. Now we lower the heat to the lowest setting and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and our salsa is now ready. We're gonna turn it off, set it to the side, and we're gonna start cooking our shrimp. I'm gonna set my pan on low-medium heat, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm gonna add half of a small white onion and 2 minced garlic cloves. We're gonna cook them for about 2 minutes. It's been about 2 minutes, and now we're gonna add the shrimp. We're only gonna cook the shrimp until it changes color. And we're also gonna season it with a little bit of salt and black pepper. The cooking process for the shrimp should only be about a minute or 2 until you get the nice pink color. It's been 2 minutes, and now we're gonna add in our salsa. We're gonna reduce the heat, give it a mix. We're only gonna cook the shrimp for a few minutes because we want the shrimp to remain soft. It's been 3 minutes, and our camarones a la diabla are ready. They smell delicious. Okay, I'm gonna serve it with some rice. Okay, and now time to serve our shrimp. It smells so delicious. Okay guys, I can't say moment of truth today because I was already eating. I couldn't wait. La hambre está canija, but definitely try it. They're so good. No me salieron tan enchilosos. Maybe because me gusta el chile, but if you want more spicy, you can always add more. But they're so good. Perfect. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.